down maintenance. I can't believe we get hamburgers. 3-hour accommodation. Till next time.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential roller, RM, wait.
Hi guys, so this vlog is coming along, just wait. I'm gonna tell you guys when I get home and I'll tell you what was the occasion eating. We're going to do our maintenance. So super busy.
Say what's on your mind so I get the message. Just give me a time when you need a blessing.
I just finished doing my nails. And now I'm just waiting for the lift. The lift doesn't even but yeah. When you're traveling in town, you can never find a place to eat. So I got Coke and smelling and noodles. So we're gonna eat in the car. Maintenance done, hair done, nails done, everything did. Lashes done. I'm just waiting on my sister's friend and her mother to pick me up, and then I'm going home. I can't believe we get hamburgers. Like, unbelievable. Get hamburgers. I mean, get hamburgers. Unbelievable. But now my phone's on 5%, so I gotta save the page. My mom is literally the best. My mom, literally the best. I love my mom. Like, oh my god. So when I bought my iPhone in November, I think 26, November 26, I had this cover. Purple. Nice. They're looking good. Looking, November 26, 2024. Got that cover. Till now, which is, what's the date today? 5th of September 2025. I still have this cover. I still need to get a new screen protector, but that's not the case, okay? So goodbye to the, it's old. Goodbye. Like, look at this. I don't know what happened. Look at this. Like, so goodbye to the old me. I love my mom. I don't know why she got iPhone 13 because it's supposed to be iPhone 15. But the people that the people that mom bought from said, "Oh, it's the same. You can buy it from here. You can buy iPhone 13 covers." Well, yeah. Thank you, mom. Like, oh my gosh, and it's my favorite color. It's blue. I'm so ready for tomorrow. Like, I'm not even sure that I'll sleep because and Sisu wangu 4. I But I'm gonna tell you guys later, like the full story, what's gonna happen tomorrow. Come back on journey. Yeah, look.
Hi, YouTube people.
Hi.
How are you doing?
We're good. I'm good, Bongi.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Catch you later. So we just ordered food because we're lazy to cook. Petros is the way. Like, Petros is the way. Ooh, rotting. Anyways, let's go eat.
2 hours later.
It is 10 to 11 p.m. and I'm super excited. It's it's the very first time I'm going out of the country. Not out of the country. Out of the province. It's my first time going out of province, out of KZN, going to another border. Like, girl, I'm sorry that I couldn't show you what's in my suitcase, what's in my bag. I'm sorry, but I'll do that definitely tomorrow as I'm getting ready. And that's why I'm saying I'll wake up early. I have to wake up early to get ready and show you guys what's in my suitcase and what's in my bag and the outfit I'm going to be, obviously the outfit you're going to see as I'm getting ready. But yeah, I'm going to show you all the things. It's just that I've been a bit busy. Like I was hella busy. Today, I was a lot. It was a lot. It was a lot. I'm telling you. We'll have to get some sleep right now and then wake up at like 3 o'clock to get ready. And then, yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to do that, but I'll definitely set alarms. Like I said, alarms. I said 3, 3:15, 3:30. Those 3 alarms are going to wake me up for sure. Let's get some sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. I will see you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow midnight. Is it midnight? Yeah, it is definitely midnight. But anyways. Let's get So we just finished packing in the car. So we are like 30 minutes late to Imondo and we still have to travel, which is another 30 minutes. So figure 6 lapaya.
Emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini.
I'm trying to buy a lip gloss and I don't know how much this one is. So this is my first time buying Essence, the Glow our lip gloss. It's 40 rand. Not that bad. 40 rand, 39.95. So I'm buying that, and then a lip liner. I don't know. I think so. I don't know. I'm gonna buy one, maybe. But usathenge yona le essence usafuna ukizwa le edume ngayo essence yakhona, glow yakhona, extreme glow. Let's go pay. Smoky course at the border. Now I still have to drive to the accommodation, and I gotta show you the accommodation. So yeah. We have finally arrived at the destination. I am so happy. Like, you guys don't understand the joy that I have right now. So speak. At the accommodation, out of this world. Out of this world. This accommodation is out of this world. Like, so we have finally arrived. I thought it was a scam at first because guys, like, I don't know places like that, but anyways, I believe I'll see y'all later because we have games, we have unpacking to do, eating, cooking, and all that. Oh my gosh, a lizard. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, which is the 7th of September 2025. It's the next day. Good morning, good morning. I'm so happy. Don't judge it. It's my granny's dog, and it's the only thing that can keep, my braids protected. Getting ready. Around like 2-3 o'clock because than the Zulu ones, right? It's so different from like the Zulu ones. So sihamba ngabo time. Abasabkhosini basazogida, so we're gonna come back very late. And then nenduna yakhona yintombi sazogida. So it's gonna be like a long, day today. But let's just hurry up, get ready, eat breakfast, and then we just sit and vibe because we're gonna go to Mhlangeni, like a mini type of vibes. Thanks of having older sisters who are gonna make you breakfast. Hey guys, I gotta make this bed. I gotta make, but the cleaner has to come and make this bed. But Pelatin is we have to make the bed. Yeah. So we're going to buy some food. What are we going to buy? So taking mushroom and bacon for breakfast. And yeah. Oh, and the champagne, non-alcoholic. Yeah. Thank you. So we have arrived. Sesifikile eLutzitsini la khona ubayethu wena waphakathi. And yeah, sesikhulumishanga saqeda. So we are about to enter and gida and sibona abasebukhosini begida. So it's going to be a long night. Mhlawumbe sizohamba around 10-11 p.m. and then siphindele endlini. Nakhona the weather doesn't look good. So sizoba manzi nje sizoba wet. Because it's about to rain, the weather is not looking so good, literally. But again, yeah. So later. So we're about to leave. It is literally. It is literally 21:22. Like it's late, but we are going. We're going back home, and then tomorrow is the big day again. And then yeah. How do you feel?
Very tired. As you can see, I don't have a voice.
Oh my
But I
god.
had so much fun, guys.
It's so nice.
Totally recommend Swaziland with
Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, good morning. It is the 9th of September. Time to go back to South Africa. I'm not happy. Like, I enjoyed my time here, and Angaga daily ukubala Eswatini, guys. Like, it's so nice. It's so amazing. The people here are so amazing. They're so friendly. So yeah, I'm not ready, but we have to go home. I still have school. And this week, Friday to Sunday, so it's just a whole nother, I don't know, this week is gonna be so hectic, and I have a lot of catch up to do for work. Like, I have a lot to catch up, and I'm writing on the 16th and the 19th. Imagine. But again, that's a story for another story. We're checking out at 11 a.m., but we're gonna go earlier than that because this is all the manji breakfast, and then seeing here we're going to South Africa. We're going back to South Africa. So sad that we're really leaving, but till next time. So we're about to enter South Africa now. This is our poor mama just starting. So Songena go welcome to South Africa. So Songena again, yeah, we're South Africa. Boy, Swaziland. Imagine walking from Swaziland to South Africa. Imagine, like, we are tired, we deserve a foot massage, we deserve spa treatment, like, honestly. But anyways, we're about to walk to South Africa. We're about to step in. Hi guys, hi. It is days and weeks after. Oh my gosh, I'm very sorry guys. I've been a bit busy ever since I came back from Swaziland. So yeah, it was a lot. I'm very sorry that I couldn't post. I'm very sorry that I was inconsistent. I've just been busy a lot. But I am back now. I'm posting this vlog today, which is the 24th of September, Heritage Day. Do not worry, I've got your back.